This affiliate program pays $1,700 per referral, and there is this other affiliate program that pays $1,500 for every enterprise customer. Similarly, there are other affiliate programs that pay anywhere from $100 to $1,000 per referral, and while some of these offer recurring commissions, others pay big one-time payouts, and a few even let you earn just by getting customers to sign up for a free trial, which is really amazing. In this video, we will know about 7 such incredible affiliate programs that pay extremely high commissions for every single customer that you bring. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, Rocket.net. Rocket.net is a high-performing affiliate program that pays $150 for every new customer. This one-time payment makes it ideal for affiliates looking for straightforward earnings. Rocket.net is basically a WordPress hosting provider, and one of the major features of its affiliate program is that it does not have a minimum threshold policy, which means you don't have to wait to achieve a certain number of customers before you start receiving your commissions. With a 60-day cookie window, your referrals have plenty of time to convert, ensuring you don't miss out on potential commissions. It also provides affiliates with a user-friendly dashboard for tracking traffic and commissions in real time, and also supply a library of pre-designed promotional materials to help you hit the ground running. And as we already discussed, unlike many programs, it has no minimum payout threshold, meaning you can access your earnings as soon as they are processed. If you are promoting web hosting services, Rocket.net is an easy sell for small businesses and agencies looking for reliable and fast web hosting. Number 2, Cloudways. The Cloudways affiliate program offers up to $125 per referral depending on your chosen payout structure. Affiliates can select from 2 different payment models. First is the slab model that allows you to earn $50 per sale for the first 5 monthly referrals, $75 for the next 5 referrals, and up to $125 for the higher volumes. The second model is a hybrid model that combines a one-time payment with lifetime recurring commissions, making it perfect for those focused on long-term income. You get $30 per referral and 7% lifetime recurring commission. You can also switch between these 2 models according to your needs, which means if you want one-time high-paying commissions, you can go for the slab model, or if you want long-term recurring commissions, you can go for the hybrid model. You can also increase your earnings by joining high-incentive bonus campaigns if you can consistently bring in sales. Cloudways has a 90-day cookie window, giving your audience time to make a purchase after clicking your affiliate link. This program stands out with its low 3% customer churn rate, meaning most customers you refer stick around, translating to reliable payouts for recurring commission seekers. Cloudways supports its affiliates with a dedicated account manager, real-time tracking, and customizable campaigns. Number 3, NameHero. NameHero also provides web hosting services, but don't worry, there are some non-web hosting affiliate programs in this list. With this affiliate program, you can earn up to $125 per sale depending on your monthly referral volume. It starts at $50 for the first 5 referrals, $75 for the next 5, $100 for the next 10, and then $125 for every new referral after that. The rate increases significantly, providing great incentives for scaling up your efforts. In comparison with the previous 2 affiliate programs, this one has a 30-day cookie window, which is less but does ensure that you get credit for sales made by clicking your link. Additionally, NameHero uses a first-click credit system, meaning you will still earn the commission if you are the first affiliate to introduce the customer, even if they interact with multiple affiliate links later. NameHero also offers API-driven tracking for enhanced conversion accuracy and comprehensive reporting. For affiliates promoting hosting services, this program provides good resources like most others, from real-time tools to 24/7 support, making it easier to maximize your efforts. While we are on the topic of web hosting providers, you must also know about SEO Writing AI, which is an amazing AI tool to write SEO optimized content with just a few clicks. You can access this tool and watch its tutorials from the link given in the description, and you will also find links to all the other tools mentioned in this video. Now, coming back to the affiliate programs, let us know about the one that pays over $1,000. Number 4, Thinkific. For affiliates in the e-learning niche involving online courses, the Thinkific program is a goldmine. It offers 30% lifetime recurring commissions on all paid plans, with top affiliates earning up to $1,700 per referral annually. Thinkific is a popular platform for creating and selling online courses, making it a perfect fit for educators, coaches, and content creators. What sets this program apart is its potential for long-term passive income. Unlike one-time commission models, Thinkific's recurring payouts reward affiliates for the lifetime of their referred customer subscriptions. And since it offers online courses, people tend to stick longer in order to complete these paid courses. Some courses end within a week, while some courses can take months to complete. The program comes with a 90-day cookie period, giving you a longer window to earn credit for your referrals. Affiliates also gain access to a wide range of ready-to-use creative assets, including banners and social media graphics, to help them effectively promote Thinkific. Number 5. Big Commerce. Big Commerce affiliate program is one of the most lucrative options for those promoting e-commerce platforms. Affiliates can earn 200% of customers' first monthly payment or a massive $1,500 per enterprise referral. The small business plans range from $40 to $400, and since you get 200% of the customer's first monthly payment, you can make anywhere between $80 to $800 for referring a single customer. And if you manage to bring an enterprise referral, you will get up to $1,500. Like most other programs, Big Commerce also provides powerful tools to help affiliates succeed, including easy-to-use promotional materials, a dedicated account manager, and an affiliate dashboard for tracking performance. This program is particularly attractive for those targeting larger businesses or enterprise-level clients, as the payouts are significantly higher for premium referrals. With its no-cap commissions, Big Commerce stands out as a top choice for marketers in the e-commerce and business tech space. Number 6. SEMrush. SEMrush is a popular tool among digital marketers. Its affiliate program offers $200 per sale and even $10 for free trial signups, making it one of the easiest programs to earn with. Affiliates can also promote other SEMrush solutions such as SEMrush Local, Content Shake AI, and Ad Clarity, with additional commissions ranging from $50 to $100. SEMrush provides affiliates with a 120-day cookie life and a last-click attribution model, ensuring you get credit for your referrals. With over 10 million users, including 30% of Fortune 500 companies, SEMrush is a trusted name in the industry, which means it is easier to trust and get conversions. And since the program offers a $10 commission for every free trial sign-up, it becomes much easier to convince users to simply try out the free version. SEMrush also has loyalty tiers that allow affiliates to earn up to $350 per sale, along with bonuses, extended platform access, and co-branded landing pages. This program is perfect for bloggers, agencies, and course creators in the digital marketing space. Number 7. A2 Hosting. With this affiliate program, you can earn up to $125 per sale with an additional $5 second-tier commission for sales made by affiliates that you recruit. Like other hosting providers, A2 Hosting's affiliate program is a great choice for affiliates in the web hosting space. It has a tiered affiliate structure offering $55 for the first 10 referrals, $75 for the next 5, $100 for the next 5, and $125 for every new customer after that. A2 Hosting's fast and reliable solutions appeal to businesses, agencies, and individuals, making it an easy sell to a broad audience. With a 90-day cookie window, A2 Hosting gives your audience plenty of time to convert. The program also stands out with its high conversion rates and custom campaigns for top affiliates. Whether you are promoting through blogs, social media, or email newsletters, A2 Hosting equips you with all the tools you need to succeed, including real-time stats and personalized promotional materials. So these were the 7 affiliate programs that pay extremely high commissions, and you might have noticed that most of them are web hosting providers, and there is a good reason for that. Web hosting is an evergreen service with consistent demand and long-term customers, as every website needs reliable hosting to operate, and there are many new websites being made every single day. This makes it a good niche for affiliates offering high payouts, long cookie windows, and a robust support to ensure success. By promoting these trusted providers, you get into a market that's both profitable and essential, making it a win-win for both affiliates and their audiences. Now, if you want to know more about SEO Writing AI, the tool that allows you to write SEO optimized content using AI, or rather provides a basic content structure to get you started on your articles, then you can check this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in a new video.